It's day 4, we're halfway through, and today, I gotta tone it down because we are going deeper into a state of relaxation and reset. We're bringing in one of the most ancient breathing techniques and, drumroll please, we'll introduce our mantra. Now before I introduce the breath work, let's talk about our nostrils for a second. Did you know that about every 90 minutes or so, our nostrils take turns in terms of who's doing most of the work of our breathing? Okay, yes, I hear myself. That sounds a little more boring when I say it out loud than when I was researching and writing about this. But the cool part is that studies have linked right nostril breathing to the activation of our sympathetic nervous system, and that might be tied to the left or more analytical side of our brain. Conversely, the left nostril breathing can be linked to the activation of the parasympathetic, or the zen, chill, calm side of our nervous system, and the more creative, intuitive side of our brain. So 2 nostrils, 2 sides of the nervous system, 2 hemispheres of the brain, and a continuous cycle throughout our day that ensures that we have a balance, a yin and a yang, if you will, between those systems. It's a poetic rebalancing of our systems through our breath. And so that's my nerdy lead-in for alternate nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shodhana. I'll show you how it works. So let's practice it together now. Take your right hand and curl your index and middle fingers down together. Now this can be quite tricky. It's kind of some brain work already getting started. If it's a little too hard, you can curl all 3 fingers and just have your thumb and pinky left up. So take your thumb, place it over your right nostril, blocking the airflow completely. Now exhale through the left side. When you're ready, inhale again through the left nostril, and at the top, bring your ring or pinky finger to pinch your nose, blocking it entirely. Then release your thumb, exhaling now through the right side. Inhale through the right side again, and when you're ready, pinch at the top, holding the breath in for a couple beats, releasing your left finger and exhaling on through the left side. Take an inhale through the left side, and we can release there. That gives you basically an idea of how it's going to work. We'll do this together a few times to rebalance our nervous system at the start of our practice today. Now for our mantra today, we'll use the sounds hum and sa. On our inhales, we'll think silently, hum, and on our exhales, we'll think sa. That's it. I'm going to guide you through every step of the way. So whenever you're ready, come to that comfortable seat, shuffle, get settled in, take a couple of deep breaths to just bring that energy down. Close your eyes or lower your gaze to a fixed point just a few feet in front of you. Place your palms face down or face up, however feels good for you. So starting today, finding that nice, long, tall spine and just noticing where your body parts are in space and in relation to each other. Starting with your head, is it a little more forward or back? And take any shifts or adjustments that you need to now to bring it into alignment with the rest of your spine. So your head should be directly above your pelvic bone. Sit long and tall and notice where your shoulders are now. See if you can roll them back a little bit, letting your shoulder blades glide down your back towards your pelvis. Find that engagement in your core, in your abs. This doesn't need to be clenching, just a strength and a stability, holding you strong and tall and preparing you for our breathing exercise today, which will be a little different from yesterday. So alternate nostril breathing, or Nadi Shodhana. To start, take your right hand, palm out, and curl your pointer or index and middle finger into your palm. take your thumb, block your right nostril, and exhale through the left side now. Inhale again through the left nostril. And when you reach the top, use your ring or pinky finger to plug your nose. Pause, release your thumb, and exhale through the right side. Draw a nice long inhale through the right side, sitting up tall. Plug your nose at the top, blocking both nostrils and holding that air in before you exhale on the left now. Contracting your ab, expelling that air. Inhale on the left side. Plug your nose at the center, allowing that air to float in your lungs for just a few moments. Release your thumb and exhale on the right side. We're bringing your central nervous system back in balance. Inhale on the right. Plug your nose at the top. And exhale here on the left. Just a few more rounds here. Inhale through the left nostril. Closing both nostrils at the top, letting your lungs absorb that sweet oxygen, and exhale strong on the right side. Inhale deep, full breaths. Feel your ribcage expand with air, holding it in at the top. Last one. Exhale on the left nostril. Long and even. You can remove your hand for your next inhale here, relaxing your palms back on your thighs, and just take a couple of deep, cleansing breaths to reset. Noticing how your body feels now. And inviting in the mantra now, Hum Sa. On your inhales, think hum, and on your exhales, think sa. And these syllables can be as long or short as you like. See if you can find a resonant quality with them. Hum, sa, and let them extend for the full length of your breath. Using the mantra as your anchor for your attention. Finding length on your inhales and power in every exhale. And whenever you're ready, keeping your eyes closed, find a little bit of movement in your hands, in your feet, maybe rubbing your palms on your thighs. Rolling your shoulders, maybe moving your neck, and slowly blinking your eyes back open. You did it. I hope you enjoyed using the mantra today. It was just a taste. Tomorrow I'll spend some time explaining the power and the reason for why using a mantra can be such a powerful tool in your meditation practice. We're over halfway through this course, and if you're enjoying it so far, please send me some love by clicking the little thumbs up like icon below, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.